guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. ಸೊ ಕೇರಳದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯುಮಿಲಿ ಥೇಕಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀಪ್ ಸಫಾರಿ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಜೀಪ್ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಅವ್ರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡಿನ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ನೀವು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಫ್ರೀ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಸೊ ನೋಡೋಣ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಥರದ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನಲ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಬೆಳೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫೈನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಪ್ ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಎಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
Each and everything. After, if you want to buy something, you can buy from the shop also. This is the plant of nutmeg. You know, jajikai. Jajikai. This is the plant of that. There you can see bigger fruit there.
Big
Yes, exactly. When it will mature, it will be opened into two. That and the nutmeg and nutmeg, jajika, jadipu will be fold out. The both we can use for garam masala, digestion, sweets, snacks making purpose. Yeah. The skin also we can use for making the garam masala, pickles and wine, candy also with the skin. Yeah.
Enough.
This is called a Neelakodveli. Is one of the Ayurveda medicinal plant. Here we using the full plant for making oil. That oil name is Sarvanga oil for the back pain issues. Which means spondylitis, cervical complaints, frozen shoulder, myalgia, disc complaints, sciatica, kind of issues we can apply this oil. You know, the Ayurveda medicine has a course duration, maybe 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, like that. This course duration 90 days. When we do the complete course, we will get the permanent result of the back pain issues. Yeah, this is for that. And this is called the Sakajara. This is also we are making the oil from the ende plant. That oil is good for the varicose vein problem. You know varicose vein? For that case, we can apply this oil. This oil make it just apply down to top only. You have to apply very slowly and keep your leg little bit straight. That time the blood circulation will be increased very easily. You will get the result from the varicose vein problem also. If you have the pain in the one leg, you have to apply the both leg. This is for varicose vein.
No, this you sell it from here?
Yeah, it's available in the pharmacy.
What is the name?
It's called Sakajara. The oil name is Sakajara Aditaila.
No, this you are telling the scientific name or the
This scientific names.
name
Yeah.
only, right?
Yeah. In Malayalam, it has a lot of other names.
Other names.
Yeah.
Okay. No, but this has to be applied wet, or I mean the raw like this, or it has to be dried and.
We are using the full plant for making oil. We are using the oil only for applying
okay.
this. Like
Oil
this.
is made out of this.
That is Neelakodveli, in English Plumpago.
Plumpago.
Idu.
In Malayalam it is Neelakodveli.
Neelakodveli. Plumpago.
Plumbago. Plumbago. Scientific name only, right? Again.
This is called a Vadankolli or Vadahari. The botanical name is Gestutia. We are using the full plant and Karinochi, Karinjatta, Perenda combination. We are making the Prabhanjana Vimardana oil. That's good for knee pain, joints pain, arthritic, pada problem, rheumatic arthritic, osteoarthritis, bones and muscles pains. We can apply this oil also.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಒಂಟಿ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಆರ್ಥರೈಟಿಸ್ ಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ನಾವು
ಬೋನ್ಸ್ ಪೇನ್ ಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ನೋವಿಗೆಲ್ಲ
ಹೆಸರೇನಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು
ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಿ ಡ್ಯೂರೇಷನ್ ರೈಟ್
ಡ್ಯೂರೇಷನ್ 90 days
ಕೋರ್ಸ್
yeah
name
this is Vadangolli
ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್
in English Gestutia.
so this one also and that one also arthritis problem
Yeah, that is only for back pain issues.
Back pain,
This is only for knee and joints pain, muscles pain like that. The second one is for the varicose vein.
varicose vein
ಸರಿ, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇದು ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕಿದು?
how to take it
oil
Yeah.
apply
This oil, where is the pain affected area, just take some oil and roundly massage, which means clockwise as anti-clockwise. You have to massage very slowly, and after towel put in the boiling water, just steam the area. That time the oil will be absorbed very easily. The inner synovial fluid and the fluid will be increased.
so basically that you have to take a towel with hot water
That is steam.
steam
Yeah.
so it will be absorbed ಇನ್ನು ಬೇಗ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೀವು
ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಇದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್, ಅದನ್ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪೇನ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಬಿಸಿ ಟವಲ್ ಅಂತ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಿರೋ ಟವಲ್ ಹಿಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬೇಗ
Miriyalu, black pepper.
black pepper
You know very well. I think your place also.
yeah
Coorg
our
is
place.
most of
Coorg
the.
is, yeah.
This is a pepper.
black pepper cardamom
this is coffee right
ಬಟ್ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡ್ತವೆ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್?
yes
ಇಲ್ಲ
Mangosteen.
ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋಸ್ಟಿಯನ್ನು.
It's a purple color fruit. It's commonly it's known as
Tamil, what is it
mangosteen.
called?
As a purple color fruit, like a Sita fruit. The inner has a flesh, the white color flesh. Mostly available in our Lulu mall, like different malls available. It's very costly fruit. This
You got confused.
yeah, it's confusing. I think this is also your place is very famous.
Yeah.
Arabica, Robusta, Cardamom.
Chickmangalore and all it is.
Yeah,
there.
this is coffee.
Yeah.
This is ಏಲಕ್ಕಾಯಿ. ಏಲಕ್ಕಾಯಿ.
ಏಲಕ್ಕಿದ ಇದು.
Elaki.
Elaki,
Oh, ilachi.
Ilaichi. It looks like a turmeric plant.
Ah,
The root
correct.
only we get the cardamom. Firstly we get the flower, after we get the seed like that. Eh?
In which place this can be grown?
Yes,
Only
it's
here, huh?
only the cold
What kind of
climate.
oh, cold climate.
Yeah.
ಓ ಇದೇ ಏಲಕ್ಕಿ.
This is ಏಲಕ್ಕಾಯಿ.
Oh, super.
This ಏಲಕ್ಕಾಯಿ the root
ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಈ ತರ.
Yeah.
But this will, how much it will grow?
This is only the maximum size.
This is the maximum
Yeah.
size. And does it need shade also?
Yeah, it needs some shade, it needs some moisturing, it needs the climate is totally different, the soil is totally different. That's why the hills area is growing like this.
ಬೆಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ
How many?
10 ವರ್ಷ 10 years.
10 years.
ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಏಲಕ್ಕಿ
Oh,
ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ,
once
ಏಲಕ್ಕಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ.
Every 45 days is the season, which means yearly 7 times we can collect the matured cardamom. Got it?
Not cardamom.
ಎವ್ರಿ 45 ಡೇಸ್
ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ
Cardamom ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏಲಕ್ಕಿ.
Yeah, cardamom elaki.
ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
10 years.
10 years is a life.
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಬಿಡೋದು
10 years
If
is
I
a
take a
life.
plant, after how many days it will become? It will start growing the.
Yes, when we planted after 2 years, we get the fruit like this.
After 2 years.
Yeah, after the 2 years, every 45 days, we collect the matured seed only.
Till 10 years.
Yeah, till
Life is
10 years.
years.
After 10 years, we do the replantation.
ಮತ್ತೆ ರೀಪ್ಲೇ
Yeah,
Okay.
this cardamom we can't dry in the sunlight because the color smell will go on. That's why we are using the drying machine for drying the cardamom seeds. That time the color smell will be maintained. We can keep a long years the cardamom with the freshness.
ಒಣಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, smell ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ.
Nice
ಓ
actually.
ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಸಿಲಿಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ.
This is cardamom.
ಸರಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡ್ತವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮೇನು.
ಅವ್ರು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರು.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡ್ತಾವೆ ಗಿಡಗಳು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರೂ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ
But
ಬಿಡ.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಇದೇ ಮಣ್ಣು, ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಬೇಕು.
The cardamom will become. Yeah, this is tippili. You can see tippili is here.
ತಿಪ್ಪಿಲಿ.
Tippili is one of the medicinal plant and also used for the cooking purpose also. Tippili.
This I've seen it.
Tippili also known as. The tippili, trifili, Amrita Tulasi, Adulsi combination. You're making the Trifaladi medicine. That's good for cough, cold, bronchial complaint, throat infection, asthma, wheezing, suffocation. We can consume this medicine. When we consume this medicine, the deposited bulgum will be coming out. You can get the breath relaxation. Your chest will be clear with this medicine. You breathe very easily. This is for the cough and cold, dry cough.
This is how much year old this is?
That is 3 years.
3 years.
Yeah.
What is the place of this?
Tekadi?
No. This
Kumily.
farm, what is it called?
Farm Periyar.
Periyar.
Farm Periyar.
Farm Periyar.
Yeah, Farm Periyar.
ನೋಡಮ್ಮ.
This is cinnamon tree. Chakka.
ಚಕ್ಕೆ.
ಚಕ್ಕೆ. ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಚಕ್ಕೆ?
Yeah, collect the bark only. We can collect 2 types of skin. Outer skin we can collect the knife is coming the scale cinnamon. Inner bark, when the tree will be mature, we cut the full tree. We collect the mission. We are using the mission for collect the inner bark. That is rolled cinnamon. Rolled cinnamon. Yeah, roll one.
Okay.
And the leaf is bay leaf. Tejpata.
Hey, these leaves also we can use, right?
Yeah.
Correct.
ಇದೆ ಇದು
Right.
ಪಲಾವೆಲೆ.
Palavele. This is another wood.
No, why they have put like this? Wood simply.
Simply for the wood purpose only. When the shade we cut out.
It doesn't need anything like
ಪಲಾವೆಲೆ.
this.
This is only for the wood
ಚಕ್ಕೆ
purpose.
ಮೇಲೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದರ
ಅದ್ರ ತೆಗೆಯೋದು ಚಕ್ಕೆ
ಮೇಲಿಂದ ತಗೊಟ್ಟೆ.
ತೆಗೆಯೋದು.
This one is outer skin. This one is the outer skin. After we cut the tree, we collect the inner bark. That is rolled cinnamon. roll chakke.
rolls ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ.
Yeah, the leaf is
ಪಲಾವೆಲೆ
ಪಲಾವೆಲೆ
ಪಲಾವೆಲೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ಬಿಡು ಇವನ್ನ. ಇದು ಚಕ್ಕೆ ಚಕ್ಕೆದು ಎಲೆ ಅದು
ಚಕ್ಕೆ ಹುಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಪಲಾವೆಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರ ಚಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲೆನೇ. ಸರಿ ಸರಿ.
This is wild ginger, adrak, sukk, sund.
ಓ ವೈಲ್ಡ್
ginger.
ಶುಂಠಿ ಬಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೊಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಹೈ.
This is the plant of that. Here we using the roots, wild ginger, normal ginger, red ginger, chitter, the red mango ginger. These are the combination. We're making the pavana amritam. It's like a wine for medicine for the stomach upset, acidity, gas trouble, indigestion, travel time vomiting, stomach bloating, IBS, kind of all kind of stomach disturbance problem. We can consume this medicine.
ಏನೇ ತೊಂದರೆ ಅದು
So
This is used in the
this
way.
looks similar also to our like normal ginger, right? That will be small leaf.
Small leaves, very small one, but they're totally
So in
different.
our side we grow Shimoga and
In
Karnataka.
this also it will grow inside mud
Inside the root.
But what
Is the root is coming a white color, very bigger size.
Okay.
White color, very bigger size.
ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಹೂವು ಇದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ.
This is just simple flower only.
Yeah, simple flower.
we will not use it.
No, only using the flower roots only. This is shatavari asparagus. Did you hear about asparagus? This asparagus. In here in India, 42 variety asparagus we can see. We using the roots, a bigger root it was, making the medicine purpose. That medicine is shatavari gulam for the ladies' gynec issues, which means infertility, irregular periods, periods with the pain problem, uterine changes, PCOD, PCOS, white discharge. They can consume this medicine.
Which one, this or this?
This roots,
Roots.
Not the leaf.
not the leaf.
How we have to consume it? Like,
If the lady has the PCOD problem, the Shadavari medicine and Saptasara medicinal both together you have to take. Only the general gynec issues, taking the Shadavari tablet or Shadavari golam. If they have the white discharge problem, they should be take the Chandraprabha tablet.
tablet. You're
Tablet.
making tablet out of
Tablet and paste and liquid also available. What kind of problem she has, we will give her a type of
You
medicine.
have all of them.
Yes.
Nice.
This is Sanjeevani. Sanjeevani in two types. One is Mrida Sanjeevani, one is Nitya Sanjeevani. As Mrida Sanjeevani is available commonly in the Tamil Nadu, Marudamalai places. This is Nitya Sanjeevani. The Nitya Sanjeevani, Tutti, Bhavushala and wild yam combination. We are making the medicine Bhavushala Gudam. It's a paste for medicine which is good for piles, fissure, fistula problem. Without surgery, without food control, without side effects, within 2 months we can control the growth of the piles. Internal or external, the growth will be reduced.
I have to consume it.
Yes, so you have to consume the paste type of medicine.
Paste.
Yeah,
Paste of this leaves or
the full plant and these are the combination.
But
Other
when you are
common-
doing this, right, you should be having in
Tablets available.
No.
Yeah.
I mean, you're just showing just one,
One
plant
plant
here,
only.
right? Should be having more, right?
Yes,
Where
this is only for demonstration purpose. We are planting only 1 or 2 like that. We have other plantation 85 acre. These are the farmers item collecting from there only.
Where
You can
is
go there.
Where is it?
It's here near.
Here only.
But
You
the
want to see
doctors, no. The doctors and assistants, they are following the vrada and like that, or follow and rituals it was. We can't go there.
You can't go there. you're saying?
We can't go there.
Oh.
The doctors are following the vrada and some kind
Radha
of
means what?
vrada.
Rata.
Like we can't. Mostly the ladies and some other. We don't have any. Like it has a positive energy. When the people are touchers or smelling and commending like that, the
It will
problem.
disturb that whole
Yes.
ecosystem.
Yeah. If you want to see the ilachi seeds, you can closely you can see. If you want to go there, you can take the picture.
ಇದು ಪಾಟ್ನೊಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿರೋ ಪಾಟ್ನೊಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿರೋ ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿರೋ ನೆಲದಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಪಾಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಪಾಟ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಬೆಳೆ
What is this called?
Sanjeevani.
There are two called.
Mrida Sanjeevani and Nitya Sanjeevani.
This is Nitya Sanjeevani. ಎರಡು ಇದಾವೆ ಮೃದ ಸಂಜೀವನಿ ನಿತ್ಯ ಸಂಜೀವನಿ ಇದು ನಿತ್ಯ ಸಂಜೀವನಿ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಹೆಸರು.
ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಬೆಳೆ
ಕರ್ಪೂರವಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅದು
For all kind of diseases, skin diseases, cough problem, fever problem, all the kind.
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಮ್ಮ ಇತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಳ ಬೆಳೆದಿತ್ತು ತಂದಾಕಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಗಿತ್ತು ನಾವು.
ಇದನ್ನ ಗೊತ್ತು ತಾನೇ ಅದು.
This is Lakshmi Taru. The botanical name is Theocarpus marsupium. Using the bark for make a medicine, that is Varnadi Kashaya Churna and a Medohara tablet. These are both for fat loss purpose, obesity management. When we consume this medicine, we can easily reduce our tummy to side wherever unwanted fat enough. That fat we can easily reduce without diet, without exercise, without side effects. We can easily reduce within 2 months 4 kilograms. Yeah.
How to use this?
Yeah, it's workable because when we take this medicine, that in the metabolism level will be fast, extra fat will be burned. No chance for coming back this kind of extra fat.
What is the name?
This is Lakshmi Taru. Theocarpus marsupium is the botanical name.
How to use this? Like
It's a tablet before breakfast and before dinner. Yeah.
Tablet ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಥರ.
Tablet also available, powder also available, kashayam also available. What is easy to use, you can collect like that.
okay.
Which place you said this one is? Tekadi
Farm
only?
Periyar.
Farm Periyar?
Our farm name is Farm Periyar. The Tekadi is the main location is Kumily.
Kumily, right? But this location, this area is called Tekadi only.
Kolambattada is a particular area,
Kolambattada.
village Kolambattada.
It's not Vendi Periyar, right?
It's not Vandi Periyar.
Vendi Periyar is
It's too far from it, 12 kilometers far from here.
okay.
Yeah.
This is Tekadi only.
Tekadi. Tekadi is a place of Kumily.
But this belongs to
Place
Tekadi.
is commonly known as Kumily.
Kumily.
This place is commonly known as Kumily. Kumily is one of the tourist places inner the forest, that is Tekadi. Its particular place is Kolambattada. It's a
Okay,
small
we
village.
went for boat riding, so that
Yeah,
place
that
is
is
Tekadi.
Tekadi, that is Tekadi.
Periyar Lake Reservoir, all that is
That
Tekadi.
is Tekadi.
Okay, this is Kumily only.
Kumily only.
Kumily is district,
It's not, it's a taluk.
Taluk.
Neelamari, Neelamari, Bringaraj, Hibiscus, Brahmi, Kayuni, Karsalangani. Totally 177 medicine combination. We're making the hair oil for all kind of hair issues, which means hair falling, hair split and dry hair, dandruff, alopecia, volume of hair problems, density. We can apply this oil. Weekly 2 times, 10 ml oil, apply in the scalp. After half an hour, you can wash with the herbal shampoo. 3 months or 4 months or 6 months continuously apply like that. You will get the new hair and thick hair also. Just for hair purpose.
New hair.
Name please again.
This is Neelamari, in English Indian indigo.
But
ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಾವು
after like what is the duration of this?
This is the type of basil. It is called Ramar basil. In Tamil Nadu, it is called as Tunuti Pachala. Normally, it's also known as Vietnamese basil. Yeah,
Vietnamese.
Vietnamese
Why
basil.
Vietnam?
It's coming from Vietnam.
Vietnam only.
Yeah. Here it is 18 variety of tulsi. These are the combination. We are making the Shiro Shandi or Balahatadi oil for the headache problem, migraine, sinusitis, one-sided problem, snoring problem. If you don't get a good sleep, otherwise this morning sneezing problem, we can apply this oil. Just put 5 drops here, 2 drops here, 2 drops here, and here also. That in the nasal area completely will be clear. You will get the result within the 90 days. This is the headache problem will be solved. All kind of nasal will be clear.
Okay.
ಹಂಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ
Just application.
Like oil application.
Yeah, you can eat it also. No problem.
ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ
Yeah.
ತಿನ್ಬೋದು.
It smells good.
Kalluriki. Kalluriki veru root. Kalluriki.
Kalluriki means
Which means stone killer.
stone killer. Stone killer.
Yeah.
Kidney stone.
We are using the roots and the Kallur Vanjadi extract combination. We are making the Kallur Vanjadi Kashayam, which is good for kidney stone, urinary stone, urine infection problem. Yeah.
Like you will take these
No,
seeds
roots
or
only. Only the roots.
only the roots.
Yeah. This is insulin plant or Madhunashini. Somebody has the diabetic problem. If the people are taken the English medicine, it has lots of side effects, you know.
Yeah.
But the Ayurveda medicine, we are using the roots for making the medicine, that is Kadagadra, and making a tablet. When we consume this medicine, the pancreas will be stimulated, the beta cells will be activated. So normally we can control the diabetic with the Ayurveda.
But pancreas will be stimulated. What if already pancreas are I mean, if power is already gone,
Yes.
then will it work
When we
for every
consume the
age
English
group?
medicine, it was affected in the pancreas.
No, but-
The work is very slowly. But we are taking the Ayurveda, the work is very fastly and you will be get the result. We can see the changes.
So more effective result you're saying, but I mean, does it work for every age group?
Every age group, which means after 20 after 20 years, if the people are taking the continuously long years back problem also, you can take this, but you have to consume the English medicine with this medicine continue. Both are together you have to take. After 20 or 25 days, you have to check the sugar level and only just call us. We will clear about that. How you take, what the dosage will be reduced or increased, we will tell about that.
ಮಧುನಾಶಿನಿ
Madhunashini.
ಶುಗರಿಗೆ ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ಇದು.
What will be the taste of this?
It has no taste like that.
Bitter.
It's a powder for medicine. You can mix with the water and drink it.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನಂಗಿಲ್ಲ.
How many times
powder.
in a day? Like morning and
Morning and night. The powder is morning empty stomach. Tablet is after breakfast, after dinner. Both are together you have to take. At the same time, you have to take the English medicine
for
also.
how many days?
If you taken the insulin or injection like that, should be take this medicine 8 months. Only take the metformin tablet only. Take this medicine 4 months. Just in border level, they don't take any tablet. Just take the medicine 2 months only. That's enough.
Okay.
ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು.
Yeah.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
Will give you.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು.
20 days you have to take this English medicine together.
Okay.
After 20 days you have to check the sugar level and only stop the slowly you have to stop the English medicine.
Okay.
You know this one is a bird size chili.
Yeah.
Chili,
This
very small size.
Small size chili. Very.
It's called a Brahmi. This other plant, its name is called a Brahmi. This Brahmi, Vellare, Sangapushpi, Vayambu combination. We are making the Brahmi Lekhya, which is good for memory development, good concentration, eye sharpness, sound clearing, depression, anxiety, OCD. We can consume this medicine.
Okay.
ಇದು ಕಡೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಗೋಣಿ ಸೊಪ್ಪು ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟು ಇದೇ ಥರನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಿ
ಇದು
This is a bitter taste right now.
ಇದು ಕೈಗೆ
It's not kira, it's not spinach. This is bitter one. When the medicine is called a Brahma Kamal flowers. Yeah, you know Brahma Kamal. The Brahma Kamal
At night it
flowers.
will
Yes.
blossom.
Yeah. Brahma Kamal flowers, rosemary, white sandal, red sandal, lal lotus, kesar, saffron extract combination. We are making the Kungumadi Tailam.
ಕುಂಕುಮಾದಿತ.
Yeah, you know, for the face problem, which means pimples, wrinkles, pigmentation, tan, eye surrounding black circle, neck surrounding black circle. You can
It's
apply
like a
this.
paste.
Yeah, it's like a oil, like a serum. You can apply like that
Okay.
for clearance.
ಅದೇ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಕಮಲ.
ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಕಮಲ.
You
Once
use
in-
these leaves or the
No, the flowers. Once in 4 years of blossom season,
Yeah.
that time we collect the flowers and these are the combination. This is Keshavardhini.
ಕೇಶವರ್ಧಿನಿ.
Yeah. This Keshavardhini, sesame oil, Datura, Ummattu flower combination. We make it the Krishna Keshadi oil, which is good for premature graying. Somebody has the white color hair.
Yeah.
They're doing the color and dye. It has lots of allergic problem will be get. But this is the natural hair oil. Make your hair, when we apply this oil, that in the hair melanin will be increased. The hair turn to black. And it will maintain until 40-45
it will
years.
turn to black.
Yeah, it will turn to, means that the new growth will be coming the black color hair.
New growth.
Yeah.
You mean like the same gray hairs will grow
That is
black?
damaged hair that will be fall down. At the same area, the new hair will be coming the black color hair.
Okay.
Yeah.
ಇದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ
Is it like proven?
It's a proven. It's completely GMP certified medicines. This is Omo. You know Omo? You can smell Omo.
I think ನಾವು ನೋಡಿವಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ.
ತುಳಸಿயில் நிறைய இருக்கு, means different varieties. It's a Oma
I
tulasi.
think I've smelled this.
This smells like mentya.
You know the Oma?
Omkalu.
Omkal. Correct.
These are the seeds also used as ajwain.
ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಮೆಂತ್ಯ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಜ್ವಾನ. ನಾನು ಮೆಂತ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಜ್ವಾನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
This is good for digestion. At the
Right.
same time, it's good for control the BP.
This is ajwaina only.
Yeah, ajwain only.
BP ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ?
Yeah, BP control. We have the medicine of Trifaladi tablet. When we consume that medicine, the BP will become in control stage. After you have to control some salt, pickles, dry fish, papad like the food, you have to control that.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ
How it has to be
ಪಿಕ್ಕಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ
taken?
ತಿನ್ಬಾರ್ದು.
It is a pills. Pills after food
Dosage.
only. After food only. After breakfast, after dinner. At the same time, you have to continue the English medicine also with this medicine. I'll explain.
BP for this, good for BP.
This is the karpura. This is called ashwagandha.
ಅಶ್ವಗಂಧ.
You know ashwagandha.
Yeah.
The horse has a smell of the the root has a smell of the horse. That's why called ashwagandha. The ashwagandha root is Shilajit, Safed Musli, Viagra, Vajigra, Naikarana. These are the combination of ashwagandha, the medicine. That's good for gen stamina, immunity, testosterone level will be clear, the hormone level will be clear. All kind of gen stamina purpose, they can consume this ashwagandha, the medicine.
The roots has to
The roots are using. Umatuka.
ಉಮುತ್ತುಕ.
Yeah, you know.
No.
It's a poison seeds. Using the seeds for making them hair oil. The hair, I told you, the hair made it black. This is the flowers we are using. Umatuku. Yeah.
ಉಮುತ್ತುಕ.
poisonous, huh?
Yeah, the seeds are poison.
ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ತಲೆಗೆ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತ.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಆಯಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಇನ್ ಮಲಯಾಳಂ?
Malayalam also say Umatuku.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಎಣ್ಣೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
The flowers are using.
ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
Not the seeds. Only the flowers are using.
ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್? ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ
That is Neelamari.
ನೀಲಾಂಬರಿ.
Indigo. This is Sarpagandha. Centipede plant. This Sarpagandha, Nagadanda, Dindapala, Veshapacha combination. We're making the Dineshavalyadi as another oil that's good for skin disease problem, which means psoriasis, itching, dermatitis, eczema, fungal infection, dry skin. We can apply this oil.
ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನೇಮ್? ಸಾರಿ.
This Sarpagandha.
ಸರ್ಪಗಂಧ.
Sarpagandha.
The mongoose will come and eat it.
That is a different one. Sarpagandha is a lot
indica,
of
not
yes. Sarpagandha has a lot of varieties. This look like snake. That's why called a Sarpagandha. Yeah. At the same time, what kind of diseases you have in the skin problem? At the same time, you have to clean your blood, detox your body. That's why we are giving the Mahamanjishtadi Kashayam for detox your blood also.
ಓಕೆ.
Where is this 85 acre this is? Far, huh?
Little bit far, 12 kilometers, near about the Kattapana route or somewhere. This is called a peppermint. You can taste it also, peppermint.
ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ನೇಮ್?
Peppermint.
ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
Yeah, you can eat it also a little bit.
Majitadalla use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Yeah, it's a flavor of menthol and pudina like.
Oh, menthol. Correct. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ smell.
Which way?
ಸ್ಮೆಲ್.
The peppermint and the clove oil are mixed together. We make the GT oil. Yeah. Which is good for the tooth issues. Which means yellow color, sensitivity, gum bleeding, pyorrhea, bad smell, cavities, like a different kind of tooth issues. We can just spray and clean it out.
ಓಕೆ.
ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮೂರ್ನಾಗ ಇರೋದು. ನಿಮ್ಮೂರ್ನಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲನೇ.
ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್?
ಬರೀ ಅಡಿಕೆ ಬೆಳೆಯೋದು.
That is same like a brinjal family. It's called Bagushala. The inner seed and egg brinjal, egg plant, these are the combination we make. The Padola Kadirohinyadi, which is good for fatty liver problem.
Fatty liver.
Yeah, the kashaya we are making for fatty liver
What is
problem.
the name of it?
This is Bagushala.
ಬಹುಶಾಲ.
ಅದು ನೋಡು ಅದು ತಿಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದು ಅವರು ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಿಂತಿದ್ವಿ ನೋಡು ಅವಾಗ. ಪೆಪ್ಪರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ.
ಪಪಾಯ.
This is the eggplant. Same family of brinjal.
This is the same as that, right?
No, same family of that, but it's not the same, exact same.
But it looks like
eggplant.
tomato kind of. ಅದೇ ಬ್ರಿಂಜಾಲ್. ಬ್ರಿಂಜಾಲ್ದು ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ.
This also the same family of that. It's called a egg brinjal.
Egg brinjal.
Yeah.
Egg brinjal.
Oh, this is like a
matured.
हाँ.
This is starting stage of there. This is more matured. This inner seed and some kind of vegetable inner seed are mixed together. We are making the kashaya for fatty liver.
This fruits only you will mix.
Yeah, the fruits. I told you about the jajikai plant at the beginning.
हाँ.
This is another plant of jaji. It's need two plants together. One is male plant, one is female plant. This is a female one.
Female one.
Yeah.
हाँ. We'll use this fruit or the
The full parts.
full part.
The skin, it look like a fruit, right? But it's not a fruit. It's like taste of raw mango. That's why people are using for pickles and candy and also wine making purpose.
Wine also.
Yeah, it's very strong.
Okay.
This is the tree of Rudraksha Kote.
Which one?
Rudraksha, you know, Rudraksha beads.
Ah.
People are wearing one bead chain.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the seed of Rudraksha tree.
This is Rudraksha tree.
Yes, here you
In
can
this only
see
it will
like a eyes model, right? This is called the Lord Shiva's third eye. The Rudraksha is based on Shiva third eye. This is called.
ಹೌದಲ್ಲ ಶಿವ
ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ತರ ಐತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಮೆ ಅದು ರುದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ ಗಿಡವ
It's actually it's over. The season is over. It's coming like a gooseberry, like a amla. They collect the fruits and put in the water 3 days. That the flesh will be removed. That time we can see how many faces it has. The seed has some lines, you know. The lines, how many is that is a face of Rudraksha.
we know
One
that.
face Rudraksha is same like a eyes model.
Yeah.
in one tree all
The items are available.
All this
But 21 years, one time only, the one face Rudrash, 21 face Rudrash, 6 face Rudrash is available. But every year we can get the 5 face Rudrash.
it's common.
But the people can wear 5 face Rudrash, has no restrictions. We can eat any kind of food. We get the ladies and gents, kids, couples, everyone can wear the 5 face Rudrash. It has no restrictions, no rules, nothing. But the other moga has its own reasons, it has on particular rules like that.
Yeah.
But when we wear the 5 face Rudrash, we get the positive energy and avoid the negative energy like that. That kind of wishes people are wearing the Rudrash bead, otherwise keeping the Rudrash in the bag or purse.
Yeah.
oh it can grow here on ರುದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ
The cooling climate is mostly growing, mainly the Nepal, Kathmandu, Rishikesh, Himalaya like that. This is also one of the bird.
ಇದು ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ತರ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಫ್ಲಶ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫೇಸಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಆ ತರ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ
21 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಒಂದು ಮುಖ ಇರುತ್ತೆ
You have more lights only here.
This is the plant of lavanga.
ಲವಂಗ
Yeah, there you can see lots of lavanga there.
that
Yes,
those
the buds are lavanga.
ಎಲ್ಲೇದು
how they'll dry this
Yes, this is the beginning stage.
Lavanga.
After 2 months, it turned to pink color. That time
color.
Yeah, that time we completely removed and we separate the flowers and dried in the machine. We can dry in the sunlight because the oil will be evaporated. That's why we are using the drying machine for drying purpose. That time the oil will be maintained, the color, smell will be maintained, and the season is alternate years. This year, next year we don't get. That's why these are
that
the
is 45 days but it is 2 years
2 years only one time.
but that is costly than this
Yeah, but this is when we collect a very little amount, right? And the processing and the procedures is very difficult, and the maintaining is difficult. So ilachi is always a little bit costly.
ಇದು
we'll
ಹೌದಲ್ಲ
get ilachi also here
Yes, ilachi.
okay
after it turns to pink it will fall off or it will be
No. We are using the ladder fall and collecting one by means we are
One by
plucking
one?
plucking the full plant, the whole plant.
okay it's
The full area.
okay ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ವೈಸ್ ನಮಗಂತೂ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು, ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಂಗೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಬಟ್ ಫೈನಲಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಪಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಅವರು ಏನು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ, ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ರೇಟಿಗೂ ಸಿಗ್ತವೆ. ಬಟ್ ಫೈನಲಿ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಥರ ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದೊಂಥರ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಜೀಪ್ ಸಫಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾವು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಫೈನಲಾಗಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾವು ಅವಲಕ್ಕಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಂದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಅವಲಕ್ಕಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫೋಟೋ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಅವ್ರು ಫೈನಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅವಲ್ನ ತೊಗೊಂಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಅವಲಕ್ಕಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಫೈನಲಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೊ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೂ ಲೈಕ್, ಶೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್.